What if I tell you this entire web app, front end, back end, database was built without me writing a single line of code? No React, no APIs. I just described what I wanted and AI agents built everything for me. Everyone is talking about AI replacing developers. Instead of guessing, I decided to test it in a real world scenario by extending a real web application. In this video, I will show you what actually works, what breaks, and what this really means for software engineers. This is not about copying code from ChatGPT. AI agents work very differently. Instead of asking for snippets, I give the system a goal and the context of the application. The agent plans the work, executes the changes, reviews its own output, and iterates until the goal is achieved. This is my personal investment tracking web application. I built this for myself because I could not find any existing app that combined all the features I wanted in one place. It tracks my holdings, visualize investment trends, supports allocation strategies, and even show market mood. The app already supports login and logout, but the basic user management features are missing. There are no way to change the password, update email, or not even the display name. And user actions like logout are not grouped in a proper account menu. This is a perfect example of a real feature every serious app needs. I'm using Antigravity here. It's a single goal-driven agent, but it handles planning, execution, and revision as one continuous workflow. I ask it to move the user action to the right top corner, add account settings, allow updating email and name, add a change password flow. No email verification is not required for my use case, and no MFA. So I just ask to write a clean production ready basic flow. Here it is. Once I provided the prompt, it analyzed front end, back end, the complete code base, and once the analysis is completed, it created an implementation plan. Most basic things looks fine for me, so I just approve it to implement it. AI agent is updated my files. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, now the user management is moved from left down corner to the top right corner. Now account settings option is there. Okay, now display name. Let me update it. Email. I'll just save these basic changes. Yeah, here it is. Now the display name got updated. Now let's add one more feature. Let's add an option to update the display picture. So let me ask. It created the implementation plan. I am not spending much time on reviewing it for now. I'll just approve it. It is done. Let's review it. I don't see any option for profile picture update. No, it's not available here. Okay, there is some error in the backend. I will just provide the error. I don't analyze much. It missed to add the column. So now it is adding the column. It is completed. Now let's review the application now. Still it is not working. My bad. I updated the display name to uppercase H. So that was the issue. Now I am able to log in. It's working fine as expected. And I updated the profile picture as well. It is showing. All of this would normally take hours. Here it happened in few minutes within a single workflow. It was able to identify the error by itself and able to fix. Sometimes it missed to do that. So that time if I provide the error, then it analyzes and fix the issue. After using this on a real web application, a few limitations become very clear. Domain knowledge is the biggest gap. Many rules are obvious to humans, but invisible to AI. And another issue with the AI agents are when the agents are wrong. They are often wrong confidently, especially in backend logic. Frontend works great. The layout, forms, UI flow, very strong. But the backend logic is weaker when it comes to complicated scenarios. It can hallucinate, miss the context, or apply generic patterns incorrectly. Database structure is another weak spot. Over engineering, unnecessary fields, and unused code paths are common. This is why review is still essential. So, who does this actually replace? This impacts junior developers the most. Earlier, juniors were hired to implement basic features initially. AI agents are already very good at it. That doesn't remove the ladder, it just shifts the first step. Prompting and reviewing the AI agents is becoming the new minimum, not an additional skills anymore. One more thing that's important to acknowledge, agentic AI is not static. It is getting better every day. 3 to 5 years down the line, this will affect the software engineering job market. Not because developers disappear, but because the way we work changes. Rules will evolve to use the AI agents as part of the daily development workflow. If you master how to use AI effectively, you won't just keep up, you will grow faster than ever. The gap will not between human and AI, it will be between developers who use AI well and those who don't. If you are curious about how this app actually built or you want to explore the code base yourself, I have added everything in the description. You can check it out, experiment with it, or use it as a reference for your own project.